Hello, everyone. Today's conversation takes place at a pharmacy. A woman needs to fill her prescription, but she's in pain and hoping to get her medicine quickly. Let's see how the pharmacist handles her request. Listen carefully. My doctor gave me this prescription.
Sure. May I see the paper and your insurance card?
How long will it take to fill?
We can have it ready within an hour.
Is there any way to do it faster? I'm in a lot of pain.
I understand, but we have some other prescriptions ahead of yours.
What should I do for the next hour?
We can call you when it's ready.
So I could go home and lie down?
Yes, just leave your phone number with us.
Can I send someone else to pick it up?
Since it's a controlled medication, the person must be over 18.
Okay, I understand. I'll come back myself. Thank you. All right, now it's time to practice your pronunciation. I'll read each line, then pause so you can repeat. Try to match the tone and rhythm. Let's begin. My doctor gave me this prescription.
Sure. May I see the paper and your insurance card?
How long will it take to fill?
We can have it ready within an hour.
Is there any way to do it faster? I'm in a lot of pain.
I understand, but we have some other prescriptions ahead of yours.
What should I do for the next hour?
We can call you when it's ready.
So I could go home and lie down?
Yes, just leave your phone number with us.
Can I send someone else to pick it up?
Since it's a controlled medication, the person must be over 18.
Okay, I understand. I'll come back myself. Thank you. Perfect. Now let's role play. I'll be the customer and you'll be the pharmacist. Listen to what the customer says, then respond during the pause. Ready? Here we go. My doctor gave me this prescription. How long will it take to fill? Is there any way to do it faster? I'm in a lot of pain. What should I do for the next hour? So I could go home and lie down? Can I send someone else to pick it up? Okay, I understand. I'll come back myself. Thank you. Great work. Now switch roles. You're the customer this time. Start the conversation and I'll play the pharmacist. Take a deep breath and go for it.
Sure. May I see the paper and your insurance card? We can have it ready within an hour. I understand, but we have some other prescriptions ahead of yours. We can call you when it's ready. Yes, just leave your phone number with us. Since it's a controlled medication, the person must be over 18.
Excellent! You've just practiced a real-life pharmacy conversation. Situations like this happen all the time, so keep practicing and you'll feel more confident. Great job today. See you in the next lesson.